Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on the Instagram app for PC with the latest update. If you manage multiple Instagram profiles, or just want to quickly toggle between personal and business accounts, this simple method will save you time and keep your experience smooth. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page, where all your feed updates appear. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see your profile picture along with your username. Right next to it, there's a button labeled Switch. This is the key to quickly moving between your accounts. Click on Switch, and a list of all the Instagram accounts you've added will appear. From here, simply select the account you want to switch to. Instagram will instantly load that profile, allowing you to browse, post, or interact as if you had just logged in. This new update makes managing multiple accounts on Instagram's PC app incredibly easy and efficient. No need to log out and back in every time you want to use a different account. Just a couple of clicks and you're there. If you haven't added your other accounts yet, you can do so by going to your profile, clicking on your username at the top, and selecting Add Account. Enter your login details for the new account, and it will be saved for quick switching. Remember, this feature is designed to help you stay connected and productive without interruptions. Whether you're a social media manager juggling several clients or just someone who likes to keep personal and professional profiles separate, this update is a game changer. So next time you want to switch accounts on Instagram's PC app, just open the app, click Switch next to your profile at the top right, and choose the account you want. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless Instagram experience.